check my calendar. Well, we've been seeing each other almost every night, stealing every moment, holding on so tight, laughing in the moonlight, talking till the dawn. I know I'm falling deeper, baby, I'm already gone. From high school hallways to this beautiful life, you turn my secret crush into something real and right. Then you drop down to your knees, ring shining in your hand, ask me if I marry you, make you my forever man. I smiled and said, I don't know, I gotta check my calendar, see how many men wanna marry me this week, darling. You just laugh that laugh I love, eyes sparkling like the stars, slid that perfect ring on my finger while I stood there in awe. Tears came rolling down my cheeks, happy one so true. I pulled you off your knees and wrapped myself around you. I guess I can make room for you, I whispered through the tears. In that moment I knew I'd waited all these years. From high school hard to Saturday nights and dancing slow, now we're standing here forever, where the good love grows. I played a little hard to get, but you saw right through my game. You've always known my heart was calling out your name. No more checking calendars, no more pretending I'm free. Every day I choose you, and you choose me. From that shy girl in the hallway who couldn't say a word, to the woman in your arms, you're my answered prayer, my world. We've been seeing each other almost every single night, and I'm so in love with you, it feels so perfectly right. You got down on your knees and I teased you one last time, but I said yes with all my heart when I pulled you up to mine. No tomorrow was promised, but look what tomorrow brought. I'm marrying my high school crush, and I love you more than I ever thought.